This is the shocking moment a Russian helicopter appears to go down in flames as it is downed in Ukraine. Footage from the front lines seems to show the aircraft soaring before it is targeted by Ukrainian weapons. In the clip, it can then be seen lighting up in flames as it pummels down, exploding in a fireball as it reaches the ground. The video has been widely shared on social media. Although it is unclear how the footage was captured, some on Twitter have suggested the clip was taken by a drone. It is not clear when or where the video was filmed. Users on social media have also speculated the helicopter is a Mi-24 Hind gunship, which was in use by Soviet forces from 1972. The model was often referred to as the flying tank by Soviet pilots. It was famously featured in Cold War-era flicks Rambo 2 and Rambo 3, although in both films, the aircrafts were aerospatial Pumas mocked up to look like the real deal. The UK has already shipped 2,000 next-generation light anti-tank weapons, NLAW, to Ukraine, whilst the US, Germany, and Belgium are among other countries that have sent or are set to send weapons. The West has supplied Ukraine with anti-tank guided missiles and man-portable air defense systems, MANPADS, as they continue to resist Russia's invasion, according to defense media site Shepherd. In January, the U.S. sent a plane loaded with 300 Javelin missiles worth some $50 million to Kyiv. A day after the invasion began on February 24, it was reported that Ukrainian forces claimed to have shot out of the air up to 4 Russian Ka-52 Alligator attack helicopters during a battle for Gostomel Air Base. A 5th helicopter was forced to make an emergency landing at the field under heavy fire. The Ukrainians had then also reported their MiG jets shot down at least one Mi-8 helicopter, and their forces also claimed to have shot down 6 Russian jets sky over the eastern Donbass region, while another plane appeared to fall from the skies near the capital.